You like to eat? I love to cook. This is Cooking with Jimmy Vegan. In this episode, we tackle cabbage and potatoes. Let's be honest, cabbage is not the sexiest vegetable in the garden. However, this recipe right here will have you wondering why you didn't make cabbage a priority before. And this recipe is actually one of my favorite one-pot meal recipes. It's comfort food, it's affordable, everyday ingredients is all you need to make this. It's plant-based, it's vegan, it's dairy-free, it's packed with flavor, it's healthy and nutritious. Look at the seasoning, that's what I'm talking about. Season your vegetables. The potatoes go in next. Broth. The broth is the base and the star of this recipe. I use bouillon instead of the boxed vegetable broth. Once you go bouillon, you won't go back. You toss in the cabbage, it's going to cook down very nicely. The potatoes are going to be nice and moist, they're going to melt in your mouth. It's loaded with fiber, vitamins, antioxidants. This meal is both satisfying and great for your well-being. It's savory, it's hearty, it's comforting, it's satisfying, it's mouth-watering. It is everything you need in a cabbage and potato dish. And the recipe is linked below. It's one of my 10 favorite recipes, so you absolutely should grab it. If you want more plant-based recipes to start, grab my 10 favorite recipes. The link is in the description below.